Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and post an ad on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and it works for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website. If you have not already, you're going to go ahead and open craigslist.org, and this is immediately going to take you to the website for your closest area. So if you're somewhere in the United States, you're going to go and be able to choose your area. If you're somewhere from around the world, you're going to go and be able to choose some similar areas that support Craigslist. So once you have selected your area, if it has not already been selected automatically, you are going to be greeted by this main page. This simple page right here is the home page, from where, as you can see in the upper right corner, we have the favorites, post option, and our account option that you can use for logging into your account or creating an account if you do not already have one. So once you've created your account, you can get started posting an ad. You can click the post ad option right here in the upper left corner. By clicking post an ad, this is going to enable you to select what kind of posting this is. You can see job offer, gig offer, resume, housing, and so on. So select whatever you want and choose a category: accounting, admin, government, depending on which section you have choose before that, and it's going to take you to this page from where you can get started posting your ad. You can give the posting title, city, your neighborhood, description, and so on, all the information you're going to put right here. So once you're satisfied and ready to put your ad, you're going to click continue, confirm, and you're going to place your ad on Craigslist. So that's how it's done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.